Welcome to Donna Cooking, and in this week's video I am going to be using some of the marinara sauce that I made in the last video, so make sure you watch that to get the recipe. And doing some meal prep, my daughter-in-law Charisma Star here on YouTube is going to be having a baby any day, so I want to make a few meals up for them so that they can have them and not have to worry about cooking. So come along with me in this video and let's get started. I've gone ahead and made some ricotta filling, just like what you would put in lasagna. So it's got the ricotta and some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of spinach now, because we like to hide some vegetables in here. That makes it a little extra healthy, right? Now I got the filling all made, and so I can use it for manicotti, I can use it for lasagna, I can use it for calzones. So this is a great all-around ricotta filling. Now I think using the marinara sauce will be a perfect thing because most kids like it and I can get it to stretch quite far. So I think I'm going to be doing some little individual English muffin pizzas. That'll be perfect for their boys. And I'd like to do some ravioli because then they can just stick it in the oven, you can heat it up. And always think when you're meal prepping, you know, how many people are in the family, and if they are getting food from other people, maybe they don't want like tons of extras. So maybe count you know, the amount of people, or if you're doing it for your family, likewise. So I think that using this sauce I can do quite a few different things and in different ways, so they won't be bored. So I think this will be fun. Now today's recipe, I'm going to be using a bag of the frozen ravioli that you get at the grocery store. In the ravioli, I'm going to be adding a little bit of zucchini because their boys really like vegetables. So this is totally optional. We're going to add a little more sauce and then send cheese with it that they can put on when it's almost done baking in the oven. Now since the sauce is really thick, I'm going to add just a tiny bit of water so that when the ravioli goes to cook, it won't get too dry. So I whipped up some homemade pizza dough, but you guys can totally get some of the dough that you can get in the store. That's always really good too. So I'm gonna weigh it out and we're gonna make some calzones, and I'm gonna be using that ricotta filling, but I'm gonna add a little bit of sausage to it too. So I think they will like that. So here we go. Alright, I am ready to put these in the oven to raise. So what I did is I weighed out the pizza dough, and some were 1.5 ounces and some were 2 ounces. Since I'm giving them away and they have small children, I want some of these calzones to be smaller. Plus we're having a couple for dinner. So I made this many, and I still have more of the ricotta filling to make a few manicotti with. So you can just count out how many you want for whatever you're needing to give away or have at home. So I'm gonna put these in the oven to raise, and then I'll be baking them for about 15 minutes at 350. All right, now with my leftover ricotta, I mixed a little sausage in it also, and I'm gonna fill some of these manicottis to make a small pan of manicotti for them. Thanks for coming along with me on this meal prep day, and let me show you what we did. We got a whole platter full of the little English muffin pizza bites, and I know the boys will like those. I've got a little small pizza because I had a little bit of dough left over, so we'll give them some pepperoni and a little more sauce. I got the calzones. We actually had those for dinner tonight. I saved a little for us and they were delicious. And I got a whole plate, and some were made with the 2 ounces of dough, some were made with 1.5, so some are a little bit smaller. And I've got a whole nice bag of sauce left for that. Next is a whole pan of manicotti, and in the end they can go ahead and sprinkle some cheese on it, and I'm going to give them the directions. And last but not least, we've got the ravioli, and that will be a favorite for the little boys, I'm sure. So thanks for coming along with me in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I always love hearing from you guys down in the comments. So until next time, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.